Welcome to Student Engagement in Standards-Based Learning, Section 5.1, Gain Mastery. We have completed the E, Engage Learners, N, Navigate Standards, G, Generate Assessments, and A, Align Activities of our Engage course overview. As a reminder, here is where we have been and where we are going in the final two sections of the course. In Section 5, you will have an opportunity to G, gain mastery with the content you have learned. You will bring everything you have learned together to design and adapt standards-based learning activities for your classroom. Please turn to page 233, Section 5, Gain Mastery, and take a look at the quotation as I read it aloud. Ah, mastery! What a profoundly satisfying feeling when one finally gets on top of a new set of skills and then sees the light under the new door those skills can open. Mastery opens doors for both us and the students we teach. Mastery ensures application as we build comfort with applying what we have learned. Please locate page 234 where the overview and objectives for this section are listed. On page 235, Gain Mastery Session 1, you will find a section map of the major topics contained in this section. First, we will finish the QFL process skills by doing 2 learning activities aligned to the QFL process skill action. We will explore ways in which you can teach students to identify and use the QFL process skills in school and in life. You will conduct your expanding expertise exchange of the new methods, strategies, and activities from your action research assessment. Finally, you will begin planning your storefront presentation that will occur on the last day of class and demonstrate your new discoveries. Which objectives or topics on the section map, Gain Mastery Session 1, interest you the most? Do you want to see the ideas for teaching students about the QFL process skills? Do you like that you'll be working to practice designing standards-based learning activities before you do it on your own? Are you ready for more activity ideas? Please locate page 236, Research Excerpts. Read the research excerpts and highlight one that you believe should be posted on a billboard for everyone to see. Do you like this statement? It appears that interest arises as much from how the teacher presents the material as from the topic itself. Would you post this statement? Increasing rigor by merely raising expectations is insufficient. Do you think the statement, teacher fidelity in implementing standards-based curriculum is a significant factor in determining its impact on student achievement, is so true and something on which we need to focus? Remember, let's keep these statements in mind as we gain mastery in designing and adapting standards-based learning activities. It's important that we take what we have learned and incorporate it in our classroom and teacher practice. The rest of this session will be for you to work independently through the material. There will now be narrated PowerPoints on Canvas Modules Section 5.1 to walk you through the rest of today's activities. Please be sure to post the activities in the discussion area or submitted assignment area before our next class. Remember, even though these activities are not graded, they must be completed to report your successful completion to your university partner. Immediately after the introduction, please go to Canvas Modules Section 5.1, Gain Mastery. Your first video will introduce the topics we will explore today, including the manipulatives you need to complete them. Your second video explores how to make a rotocopter related to your curriculum. Your third video helps us learn to create a windsock mural for our classrooms. Your fourth video reminds us why we should expose students to the QFL process skills. Your fifth video encourages us to exchange ideas with our grade-level classmates so we can become stronger educators. Your sixth video engages us in designing a standards-based learning activity. Your final video builds connections between what we learned in this course and how we can apply the knowledge to our classrooms tomorrow. Please make sure all activities for Section 5.1 are complete. If you have any questions while you work, please call your instructor or email your instructor. This concludes our section Introduction. Please continue to Modules, Section 5.1 Gain Mastery, Learning Activity Number 1.